What a life. This was crazy. Look at that. That is crazy. It was so packed. It was terrible. Turkey, wow. That was just crazy. So let's see, we're on the waterfall. So I took this path where no one is going to. I don't know if it's the correct one. I can hear some water. So maybe the waterfall is there. Maybe not. Who knows? But we are exploring. I'm not sure if I should go there. Maybe I'm on the right path. Let's see where it gets me. What do we have here? Ooh, look at that. That's cool. This is like a proper jungle here. I don't think that this is the waterfall I wanted to see, because that looks a bit different. But let's see about this one. That's cool. I mean, nothing special. Okay, it looks like that there is some caves here. Yeah, this is the one I want to get to. The one that is on the picture here. Waterfalls are beautiful. They can also be deadly. Obviously, don't jump off waterfall. I guess that you have to write it for some people because they would not just understand. Now bats became the attraction. There's so many of them. I don't know if you can see them. Let's continue forward. I want to see that main waterfall. But where is it? Oh, it looks like it's there. Maybe. I feel like a proper tourist here. I mean, yeah, it's nice. And it costs like nothing. It costs like 50p to get here. So yeah, for this price, it's cool. It would be probably crazy to jump in. They would have like a boat, you can just get behind. I'll be sick. What is that? Is that some underwear up there? What the? That's crazy, man. Look at that. This white thing, that looks like some underwear. Wow. Anyway. You know, everyone's got a cameraman or a woman. I don't need them. I am my own cameraman. Ooh, here we are getting to the darkness. The darkness. Wow, that's cool. This is a bit more cool than the waterfall itself. Whoa, this is good. Look at that. I like tunnels and caves. Okay, okay. That's pretty cool. Alright, I respect it. Oh, I'm gonna run out of battery soon and I didn't take spare one. This is cool. I like that. So here we are getting above the waterfall. Let me see from here. Let's continue in the caves, bro. I kinda like vlogging like this. This is me, you cannot see me. Here I am just behind the waterfall. Oh, this is like behind. Let's do this. That's cool. I like that. You know, in Wales you can actually go behind the waterfall itself on Brecon Beacon. Ooh. It's full of water here, but it probably makes sense because it's waterfall. Oh, this is sick. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Feels like I'm in a jungle. But for like 50p or whatever the price is, I mean, it's definitely worth it. if you around Antalya in Turkey, you should definitely visit Düden Waterfalls. I think it might be time to get back for me. Let me see this place. This little cave here. It's quite big. Let me see. I don't know if you can go up there. I don't want to get arrested here. Arrested in a different country. Ooh, that would not be good. So let's not risk it. Rubbish. Why would you throw rubbish here, man? Like, it's crazy. I feel like I'm a vlogger now. Am I a vlogger? I don't think I've been up there. I just love exploring. It's like the best thing. If I could, I would do it full time, for sure. Yeah, I don't think there is much here. Let me get on the other side. It is nice here, I'm not gonna lie. So you got some antique olive oil workshop. Let's check it out. So I guess this is how they made olive oil back in the days. If you're interested, you can stop the video now and read it. But yeah, he's got the things there to make it. And I think that's about it. Hello. But listen to the birds, man. That's crazy. Must be like hundreds of them everywhere. I don't know if you can see it, but the sea is just crystal clear. So beautiful, just blue. Oh, there's someone swimming there. How did they get there? I wonder. I want to get down as well. But if I go down, I don't think I'm getting up. You know, this will be hard to climb. Which is annoying because I really want to go down there. But I don't want to risk getting stuck there because no one is going to help me from there. Wow, this place I just randomly found. Look at this, guys. You won't find these places unless you explore like me. I'll definitely have to save this spot because, like, look at that. Just a random spot what I found by just walking, just going, exploring, you know. And this is what you can find if you're not scared. There's some guys fishing down there. What a life. So I'm just in front of the shop, Cengiz shop. Only amazing stuff here. Fruit powders, you know, you can mix it with water. All amazing stuff. Here is my friend.
Hi, welcome. How are you? I want to say to everyone in there who see me, do you know why I'm so sexy? Because I never drink Pepsi. I drink the herbal natural tea and Turkish Viagra as well.
Only organic stuff here, everything amazing. Look at all this stuff. Look at all that. Everything is organic here. I love this stuff. So when you're here in Antalya, look for this man and definitely come to visit this shop.
I will find you anyway. If you come with this video, 20% you get percent cheap, 20%. for you.
Just say you're from Thomas, and this man, he was sorted
Yes,
out
it's
with
Thomas.
everything.
Thomas is the best guys. He's a visit in Turkey. He buy also stuff from me. Do you know why I'm so funny? Because I eat lot of honey. Don't worry, be happy. Welcome to Turkey. Find me and really 20% make it cheap. You will be very happy. Very good day. With
You
me.
will definitely be happy. I will put the address of this shop here, so you will know where to visit. Bought a little bit of Turkish delight. So good.
Okay. Yes, come here.
Maybe this time. Oh no,
Enough?
this one, man.
You know Aladdin? Aladdin, my grandfather brother.
I don't think that I will get the ice cream today. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe next year, brother.
Maybe this time. Yeah. This is the clock tower. I really like it here. I think that I will be coming back. I feel like there is much more to explore in Turkey. Not only in Antalya, but in Turkey. So yeah, I am planning to come back here. I mean, it's so easy to get sucked into one of the shops, you know, because everyone is like, just come in, you know, you're welcome, da da da. Have a look at this, you know, I'll give you a nice price and all that, you know. It's so easy, like, sometimes I feel bad when I go in and I tell them no, but you shouldn't be feeling bad, you know, you just have to say no.